All right, finally we're down to our last problem on the basic derivative rules here before you move on to the more complicated ones. These are obviously, this is obviously a polynomial, terms that are strung together, added and subtracted. So it looks like we can take the derivative of each one of these separately. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to say f prime of x, so derivative is going to be equal to, so this is, first one's the power rule, right? So I'm going to bring the 5 out front, keep my x and subtract 1. Minus, looks like we have another power rule going on. We just have to be careful to multiply those two. So 4 times 2 is 8. X to the first, you don't have to write the first. Plus, now this is a 1x, okay? So if I were to subtract 1 from this exponent, it would become 0. So anything raised to the 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is just 1. Remember, if it's a number, if it's a coefficient with an x next to it, really you just drop the x and leave the coefficient. Minus, I'm not going to put minus 0. I don't need to put 0, but this would be a constant, right? I'm going back to our constant rule. Derivative of a constant is always 0. So the derivative of 1 here is 0. So it looks like this is our answer for the last one.